Hello guys, I just done the service of this Hyundai Santa Fe diesel. So I'm going to reset this service reminder. So I just gonna show you how to do this. Press the menu button here. This is the menu button, and press it again. Lights, sounds, and you need to scroll that down. Service interval. Press OK. This we just hold this to reset. 15,000 kilometers and 365 days in service. So that's all guys. So I just press this one and hold when you go to the service interval, and that's it. Service interval. And then when you go to the back button, system service in 365 days. So you just press the back button and hold, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe or thumbs up. Thank you.